So we need soil pass through the sieve number 40 and soak it in small amount of water. Thoroughly remix the specimen in its mixing dish. Adjust its water content until the consistency requires about 25 to 35 blows of the liquid limit device to close the groove. Cover your specimen for about 30 minutes. Using a spatula, place the portions of the prepared soil in the cup of the liquid limit device at the point where the cup rests on the base. Squeeze it down and spread it into the cup to a depth of about 10 mm at its deepest point. Keep the unused soil in the mixing storage dish, cover the dish with a wet towel or use other means to retain the moisture in the soil. Hold the grooving tool against the surface of the cup and draw in an arc, maintaining the tool perpendicular to the surface of the cup throughout its movement. Once again, for closure between 20 and 30 blows, we shall add some water. And we repeat the previous step once again. And we repeat the previous step once again. And the last trial for a closure requiring 15 to 25 blows. If the number of blues is not what you asked for, remove the soil. Using a spatula, place the portions of the prepared soil in the cup of the liquid limit device at the point where the cup rests on the base. Squeeze it down and spread it into the cup to a depth of about 10 mm at its deepest point. Take care to eliminate air bubbles from the soil pad, but form the pad with as few strokes as possible. Lift and drop the cup by turning the crank at a rate of 1.9 to 2.1 drops per second until the two halves of the soil pad come in contact at the bottom of the groove along a distance of 13 mm. The base of the machine shall not be held with the hand or hands while the crank is turned. Hold the grooving tool against the surface of the cup and draw in an arc, maintaining the tool perpendicular to the surface of the cup throughout its movement.